kids, boy.
Boy, if you don't get your squiggly dick in the head.
I eat kids. Yeah, you got guns, but guess what I got? I will whoop your ass.
You're not whipping bullets, though. You're not whipping bullets.
Huh?
You're not whipping bullets.
I'll get to you before.
You're not whipping bullets.
Are you casting that?
Where the hell my phone go?
It's right here. In this water.
Oh, we have
Yeah.
streamer.
Yeah.
Tell you shit. How many subs you got? How many views you got?
How many views right now?
Yeah.
45.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
Hey,
It's only
build
gonna
that
go
shit
up
up.
from there.
You said what?
I said it's only gonna go up from here, bro.
You are right now. What's your names, though?
Kalia.
Kalia and who else?
Jayla.
Jayla. Oh, it's nice to meet you. My name's Sean.
Where
Where y'all
Nice to
from?
meet you. Baltimore.
Baltimore?
Crazy to me at all. That nigga being you up in the house, but ain't being shit up in the street.
Focus
Yeah,
on
where you
Baltimore.
from?
I'm from Philly.
Tell you shit.
Really? Shake your
Yeah.
hands real quick.
Damn.
Chill.
Say shit. You real chill. That's good.
You know. But yeah.
Are you Muslim?
Huh?
Are you Muslim?
No, wallahi beans.
Did you say Wallahi beans?
Yeah, that's right?
No, bro, that's not. I don't think they say that.
No, but like I really fuck with y'all Baltimore. Hold on. How y'all be?
Hold on, let me see.
Stop playing.
Wait,
See, I'm still learning. I'm still learning.
You still lit. You lit though, yo. You
I'm
lit.
still learning.
I don't even lie.
they gonna listen to us argue. You too, boy. What you over there smirking, laughing at for? I don't think not that funny.
Sniff and cry.
What's
Oh.
what's funny?
What happened?
You wanna know what happened?
Yeah,
This what happened.
yeah.
You keep smiling like something is funny.
No. I just want to know what happened.
What happened?
Why she go blank? What happened? Yo, I'm still learning, yo. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Hit that shit, yo. Yo, you like 5. The fuck on that? What's that time me on, yo? Where my phone at? Yo, you on that light skin shit, yo. Pause, yo. The fuck?
It's scared. Turn off the light.
I'm finna dance again.
Oh. Yo, check out dance, bro. Hold on.
How you doing?
Good.
Good. Alright, what you doing?
What?
What you doing? Like, what you doing on the app?
I don't know.
What you mean you don't know? You trying to strike a conversation with people or something? Like, you bored? Like, what's going on?
Nah, I'm really on here just to have fun.
Oh, alright, type shit. Where you from?
You wanna guess?
No, I feel like it's somewhere far. So, like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know.
Far?
Yeah, you seem like far. Like, what the fuck is Lawrence? You know what I'm saying?
I don't even be staying there.
You don't be staying there, so why say that? What you be moving around a lot?
Because these people are fed, so like what?
Oh, alright, type shit. So you scared of them or something? You think we gonna find you?
I ain't scared. I ain't never been pussy, so
Oh, alright. So if I find you right now, what's gonna happen?
I don't know.
Say no though. Like, what's your name then? I can't know your name either.
Now you fed, so I'm.
What you mean? I'm just a
You being
streamer.
mad fed.
I'm a streamer.
You moving mad crazy, like what?
I'm not moving mad crazy. You sound like you from NYC.
Okay, so now you being mad fed.
Oh,
Like,
that's like word to my mother. I'm not being mad fed.
Nah.
No, for real.
You moving mad crazy.
I'm not moving that crazy. Nah.
And it's giving me.
You
Weird.
already know where I'm from, right?
Because you said, because you was like, so what about if I find your address right now?
No, like that was just like a saying. Like I wasn't.
That ain't giving no joke. That's giving. And then you was like looking, and you looked like you was on a computer or something, and it looked like you was searching it up. So
no, I got a whole stream.
this is giving me like stalling, so that I can stay here and so that you can find. Yeah, I like that better. I like that.
This better? Here's my pocket. I can't type now. Look.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. I like that one.
All right. So now I can type your stuff in, and you can click the skip button anytime you want. So
that's true. So I'm out.
Go click it.
That's what I'm. Wait, let me take a screenshot.
All right, go ahead.
Thank you. That's real cute.
All right. Cheers, cuz.
Hey, you live?
Yeah.
Piranha mouth ass nigga. Fuck is you talking about? Lotion bottle head ass little boy. Fuck is you talking about? Controller stick looking ass little boy. Fuck is you talking about? Duffel bag head ass little boy. Fuck is you talking about, nigga? You got worms on your shit. Backwood looking ass little boy, nigga. Fuck is you talking about, nigga?
You like a honey badger. You ugly as shit.
On my mama, nigga, you look like a melted honey bun. Fat neck ass
bro,
nigga.
Crusty
Fuck you talking about? You look like Goldilocks and the Three Bears, little ugly ass little nigga. Puss in Boots watching ass little boy. Temple Run playing ass little boy.
He think Talking Fans gonna win something, bro. Talking Fans.
Hey, you better go listen to your chat. Little ugly ass nigga, you got
they bid on you.
100
They're
viewers,
going to get
nigga.
You
got 100 viewers, lame ass nigga.
All right, let me get 100 viewers. How many you got? None. Shit.
It don't matter, nigga. Your bitch watching me, you little fat neck ass nigga.
No, bro.
Pillow neck ass.
I got multiple, young boy. Nigga, go ahead somewhere.
I'm finna cook your ass.
Bro, go ahead somewhere, bro. Yeah.
Good gang.
What's up with you, bro?
Let me put you on.
On what?
This girl, she went to go get a bottle of water. She'll be right back.
No, I got this, bro. You don't gotta say nothing.
Word.
Few moments later.
Oh, take too damn long.
I was getting water. Can I not get water?
No.
What?
Bro, why you do that, bro? Bro, wait, come back. Bro, come back. Come back. Come back. Bro, get off the floor, bro.
Ooh, good as fuck.
So, yeah, what you eating?
Some spaghetti.
Some spaghetti? Damn.
Yeah, I got sugar in it.
Oh, you know, real shit, though? Nice and sweet? No, that shit hot. What you fried?
Nah, that shit is good.
You look fried. You like you were smoking.
No, none of that.
No, you don't smoke?
Mm.
Oh, word. Just like me, for real. But what's your name?
Shay. What's your name?
Oh, my name's Sean. Nice to meet you. Where you from?
Mm-hmm. I'm from Ohio.
Ohio?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, word. Like, what is like up there, though? Like, I always want to know that. I'm from Philly.
You're from Philly?
Yeah.
I got people from Philly.
Oh, word. I thought you was going to ask something like do hips or something. I'm like, chill.
You want to do hips? Yeah.
No, bro, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. No.
Come on.
No.
None of that. Yeah.
Chill. But yeah, you should have add me as a friend though. Like, no, that does the spaghetti really that good though? Who made it? Who made it?
My mama.
Don, you look at your lips and everything. It looked good though. Like I'm a kid to me. It looked good. Like.
Yeah, it looked good. It's watery and stuff. Mm-hmm. Cause I put sugar in it.
What? Like that don't even mean that. Like sugar don't make it watery.
No.
The sugar definitely made it watery.
No, the sugar make it sweeter. That's why it's good.
Exactly, but
that's why it's good though, cause I put sugar in my spaghetti.
So.
All right, look. Listen, hold on.
You know how it tastes then.
Yeah,
you know how it
yeah,
tastes
yeah.
then.
Unfortunately, y'all, the call, not even the call, bro. The monkey ended right there, bro. Like, I was so like, it had, like, she didn't even skip. It just, like, the call had logged out or whatever. But, yeah, bro, this is the end of the video, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, bro. Peace out. More coming, bro. Like and subscribe, man. Join the family, man.